Here I'm in the big, bright, beautiful Smart Woodshop building. I'm waiting on the pod to show up with a lot of stuff I'll be using in here. I'm taking advantage of this time and rehabbing the Smart Woodshop trailer. And I'll give you a look at that in just a minute. This is a behind the scenes for the Smart Woodshop fam. The Smart Woodshop trailer is about 7 years old and it's been used almost every day. So it's time for a little cleanup, a little rehab. Let me show you what I'm doing. To start with, I'm going through the drawers. I'm removing tools and materials that I don't use that much. I'm going to lighten the load a bit, make it easier to get out the tools and materials that I actually use. You can see here, I've got my demo drawer all pulled out. That's already been thinned. That's going back in. This is a lot of the plywood fixtures I'll use on the job. Those will go back in, although I think I'm going to thin them a little bit more. I have my patterns over there. Those will be stored in the shop. No need to take up room in the Smart Woodshop trailer. My TSO stuff, my clamps, a lot of things like these locks and straps, they'll stay behind in the shop. So that's the kind of the madness behind the method, or the method behind the madness. Again, I'm going to lighten it up and thin it down to those things that I use daily. Then on the cabinets, they were well worn, so I took a day or two to sand off the top layer, get them cleaned back up. And then I decided to have a little fun and paint this face. So we did that today, and you'll see the big drawers go there. The faces of those have been painted. I'll get those loaded back in, and then I'm going to relabel all of the drawers after I get the organization done. In the videos to come, you'll see it all rehabbed and renewed, feeling fresh. Look forward to those videos to come where you'll see this project all done and then moving on and enjoying all of the fun projects we'll be doing together. Stay tuned, subscribe, ring the bell so you won't miss any future videos. There'll be a lot of fun stuff to come, and you'll get to see what this looks like all rehabbed and redone. And it's going to take a lot of work, so I may go ahead and give one or two more behind the scene videos as well. Mahalo.